Hi everyone and welcome to Titan's PowrLiner Glass Bead Dispenser Setup video. Today we'll be going through how to set up your glass bead dispenser on the PowrLiner 3500, 3500S, 5500, 4955, 6955, and 8955 models. This video is not a substitute for reading the manual. Consult the manual for additional details. To install the bead dispenser on a PowrLiner 3500, 3500S, or PowrLiner 5500, a bracket kit must first be installed. Install the two-angle brackets underneath the frame. The horizontal side, where the holes are closer together, should sit flush against the frame. The vertical side should be oriented toward the outside of the frame. Secure with bolts and locking washers. Slide the container mounting bracket underneath the frame and line up the mounting holes with the holes of the angle brackets. When looking at the front of the striper, both flanges of the container mounting bracket should be on the outside of the angle brackets. Using the bolts, washers, and nuts included with the bead dispenser kit, attach the container mounting bracket to the angle brackets. Insert the glass bead container into the container mounting bracket. To install the bead dispenser on a PowrLiner 4955, 6955, or 8955, install the two plates on the outside of the frame. Secure with bolts, lock washers, and nuts. The bottom holes of the plate should be a couple of inches below the frame. Slide the container mounting bracket under the frame and line up the container mounting bracket with the bottom holes of the plate. When looking at the front of the PowrLiner, the left flange should be flush with the inside of the left plate. The right flange should be flush with the outside of the right plate. Using the bolts, washers, and nuts included with the kit, attach the container mounting bracket to the plates. Insert the glass bead container into the container mounting bracket. For single gun installation, start by removing the swivel connector from the quick disconnect fitting. Insert it into the bearer plate and secure it using the nut. Using the clamp and screws, secure the bead dispenser to the support arm of the spray gun. Make sure the dispenser door is facing toward the front of the unit. Secure the clamp, but do not tighten fully. Install the swivel connector to the bead dispenser door. Connect the quick disconnect fitting to the swivel connector that is now attached to the bearer plate. Slide the bead dispenser along the support arm until the door of the bead dispenser is completely closed by the spring pressure. Tighten the screws at the clamp. Attach the material hose between the bead container and the bead dispenser. Secure at both ends with hose clamps. Make sure the hose does not run horizontally in any spots, as this can hinder the flow of beads. Squeeze the gun lever on the handlebar. The door of the bead dispenser should open. Release the gun lever. The door of the bead dispenser should close. For dual gun unit installation, remove the cap of the second material hose connection on the bead container. Repeat the single gun install steps for the second gun. Make sure the shorter hose is on the bead dispenser closest to the frame. If the bead dispenser does not open or close as expected, the linkage needs to be adjusted. Please see your included instruction sheet. Thanks for watching Titan's PowrLiner Glass Bead Dispenser Setup video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.